Part of the ADSI Group, Cornwallis Business Centre is located in the heart of Basildon's business area, with excellent links to the M25. The centre has recently undergone a major refurbishment and offers a range of office suites, units and workshops to rent on flexible terms. These options make the centre the ideal choice for both new and established businesses. The offices are newly decorated, air-conditioned, with modern LED lighting and offered with a choice of connectivity options and enterprise-grade telephony. Our friendly, professional staff will meet and greet visitors, offer secretarial services and handle couriers and mail. We offer a goods receiving area to handle those larger deliveries. Tenants and visitors can enjoy a quality Lavazza coffee or something from the snack machine. The centre benefits from ample free parking and a host of meeting and conference facilities. The conference facilities provide cost-effective venue hire with a range of rooms to accommodate from 2 to 50 delegates. If you need a venue for off-site meetings, training courses or to conduct an assessment centre, Cornwallis will meet your requirements and exceed your expectations. A range of refreshment options are available, perhaps just drinks, or alternatively a fully catered day. Our rooms boast feature walls displaying skylines from around the world. The rooms can be set as boardroom, U-shape, theatre or classroom. For the digitally minded, you can take advantage of our high-speed guest Wi-Fi, secure connections and a full range of audio-visual features on 75-inch high-definition TVs.